Any revolution is just the impossible waiting to be challenged. That's why we are showing day after day that our rooftop revolution is possible, fueled by a driving ambition of achieving a green planet and based on real actions. Showing that it's possible to climb onto people's rooftops in order to lead the energy transition in Southern Europe, by transforming over 9,000 rooftops into new producers for the system, not only for the families that live underneath that rooftops, but also for their communities around them. And going from an inefficient, centralized, non-green energy system into a fully decarbonized distributed generation model. Showing that it's possible to build a green tech company around energy. Thanks to our team of 600 high performers, passionate revolutionaries, each and every one 100% committed to a world run on green energy. Showing that it's possible to break down gender prejudices in the workplace. Opening the world's first ever school for female solar installers and creating equality in tech roles. Showing that it's possible to keep growing and get over 1,500 new rooftops per month and be one of the fastest growing energy transition companies in Europe. Showing that a world without gas is possible. By showing that, today, HolaLuz is proudly entering 2023 without any dependence on it. Showing that it's possible for an energy transition company to have real impact on climate change. So far, we've saved over 1.7 million tons of CO2 from being released into the atmosphere. And we're sticking to UN climate goals, aiming at maintaining our planet's temperature increase to just 1.5 degrees. Showing that it's possible to overcome one of the world's most serious energy crises in many years, and yet look at the future with confidence and optimism. A future we are making a reality today, thanks to you. Thanks to our team. Thanks to our team of investors. And thanks to each and every one of our customers, rooftop by rooftop, day after day. And a revolution is just the impossible waiting to be challenged. Thanks for being part of the Rooftop Revolution.